Good morning, class 8 children. Today, after taking the flip teaching, we'll continue with the revision of mock paper. So your question number 1, as I think you had seen the pattern, 20 marks MCQ will be there. So first part of the paper will be the MCQs. First question is in front of you, that an electric current can produce. Yes, Ananya, you have raised hand. Kindly raise hand, children, those who want to give the answer, and switch on your cameras. Yes, Ananya, unmute.
Ma'am, answer is D part, chemical heating and magnetic effects.
An electric current can give both of this, the three of these. Chemical, so D option is correct. Chemical heating and magnetic effects can be given. Okay. Next comes, which of the following solutions will not make the bulb glow in the circuit? Yes, Arav Segal. Sodium chloride, copper sulfate, silver nitrate, sugar solution in dilute water.
And D, I guess.
D will be the answer. Sugar solution in a dilute water. Number 3.
Yes.
Electric charge can flow through. Children, I'm Saksham Tiwari, give the answer of number 3. Kindly switch on your camera.
Answer is conductors. A, conductors.
Answer is conductor. Electric charge can flow through the conductors. Next is, Bujo's uncle has set up electroplating factory near his village. He should dispose of waste of a factory. So where should he dispose of the factory waste? Yes, Anshika Agarwal.
Ma'am, option D, according to the disposal guidelines of the
Okay.
local authority.
So it's not allowed to throw the waste into the rivers, ponds. So it's according to the disposal guidelines of the locality. Number 5, a list of the mediums is given below. So children, I think something is missing in this question. Let's move for the next question. Number 6. Loudness of a sound is measured in which units? That's we have to see. Loudness. Yes, Arav. Saksham Vasanwal, Arav, Ananya Kahara.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Decibel are the units for it. Okay. Next, speed of a sound is dash speed of light. Is it more, less, equal?
Ma'am, less.
Ma'am, less.
Okay, the speed of sound is less. So already you know that the speed of sound is more than any of the speed. Next is number 8. Which of the following voices is likely to have the minimum frequency? Minimum frequency, who is having among these 4? A baby girl, Pratiksha. Kindly give the answer. Baby girl, baby boy, a man, and a woman. Whose voice is less?
Baby girl.
Okay, it's baby girl. Next is number 9. During electrolysis of water, what is formed at anode? So the options: hydrogen, that acquires a positive charge,
Oxygen.
oxygen acquires a negative charge, copper, and nothing. So you have to see. So it's the answer is oxygen. Agreed all?
Yes,
All are agreed? Why oxygen?
ma'am.
Because anode is a positive charge. Anode is a rod which is connected with the positive end. And oxygen, when water gets break up, oxygen acquire negative charge. That's why the oxygen get liberated at the anode towards a positive rod. Next, number 10. Electrolysis is a chemical change.
Ma'am, chemical change.
It's a chemical change. Okay, physical change or any of the other change. Number 11. Rest of the children can also participate. Saksham Vasanwal, give the answer. Naman, Neha, Pari Agarwal. Switch on your cameras, children. Number 11. It is difficult to walk on an oily floor because what can be the reason? Floor gets
Ma'am.
oil. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, force of friction is very less.
Okay. Force of friction is very low. Means the D option is correct. But that's why when the surface is oily or the lubricant is applied, then the force of friction is very less. Next. Lubricants are the substances which increase the friction, are used to light fire, reduce friction, are used to put off. Yes, Pratiksha, can I have the answer? Put off the fire. Saksham Vasanwal, kindly give the answer. Pari Agarwal.
Ma'am, option C, reduce friction.
So again, the lubricants are going to reduce the friction. Okay. Next is the frictional force exerted by fluid. Neha, what's that?
Ma'am, drag.
That is known as drag. Okay. Saksham Vasanwal, can I have the answer from your side? Number 14. A boat or an aeroplane has a pointed or tapering front head. Why it is so? You have seen the boat. It is narrow in the beginning. Why it is so? Narrow at the ends. Even the birds, even the aeroplanes you have seen, they are narrow in the front. Why this shape is made like this? Surbhi Saini, Naman Rana, Anya, Prabsif, Aditya Jain, Shraddha. Yes, Pratiksha.
B, to reduce the friction of fluid.
Okay. To reduce the friction of the fluid. Children, what was fluid known as? Fluid, is it a liquid only? What do you mean by fluid? Fluid is?
I'm liquid and gas both.
Yes, liquid
Ma'am,
and
mixture of
gas
liquid and
mixture. Both liquid and gas together, if we want to say, then it is known as a fluid. Number 15. To sharpen the blade of a knife by rubbing it against a surface, which of the following will be the most suitable? You must have seen somewhere if somebody wants to sharpen the blade of even the knife or even the sword, what he use? Stone, plastic block, wooden block, glass block.
Ma'am,
What he-
stone.
I'm stone.
Yes, you must have seen on the hard surface he used to rub so that it can acquire the, it can be, while rubbing the the blades can be sharpened. Number 16. An electroscope is a device which is used to find if an objects are charged, magnetic, free of cracks, or hot.
Charged.
Charged.
So we need to check with the help of an electroscope whether the objects are charged or not. Next, which of the following can't be charged easily by friction? Yes, Anya, roll number 1, or Aditya 3. Roll number 3. Kindly give the answer. Anya, Aditya, Prabsif. Saksham Tiwari.
Ma'am, answer is copper rod.
Can't be charged using by friction. Can you give the reason for it? Why it is so? Why it can't get charged? Why it is so, beta? Yes, Saksham Tiwari. Why you have given this answer? Why copper rod does not get charged easily?
Ma'am, because copper rod is already charged and it is a highly conducted material.
Yes. Already it
Ma'am,
is
and
copper-
only non-conducting material get charged.
Yes, only so uncharged and which are not charged, they get charged easily. Okay, that's why you should know the reason also whenever you are attempting the questions. Next is 18. Two charged objects are brought close to each other. Choose the most appropriate statement for the following options. So they may attract, they may repel, there will be no effect, they may attract or repel. So
They may
Arab
attract
Segal,
or repel.
Attract or repel.
Arab Segal. Answer. You had raised hand. Number 18. Ananya Kahra.
Ma'am, they may attract or repel.
So that depends upon it. Two charges are there. It's not mentioned that there two charges are positive or negative. If they are not mentioned, then they can repel or they may attract. Number 19. It is a convention to call the charge acquired by a glass rod when it is rubbed with silk. As which glass rod will acquire which charge? Yes, Ananya. When it will be rubbed with a silk cloth.
Ma'am, positive.
Glass rod will acquire the positive charge. And what about the silk cloth? Silk cloth will acquire negative charge.
Negative.
But you have to remember it. Glass rod will acquire the positive charge and silk cloth will acquire the negative charge. Okay. Next is during lightning, actually that takes place. Yes, Anshika Agarwal.
Electric discharge.
Okay. So electric discharge takes place. वैसे children, we can see electric charging, electric charges, accumulation, all of these.
Ma'am, all of these.
वैसे इसका all of these भी आ सकता है because everything takes place during the lightning. This is turn by turn. First of all, the electric charging takes place, then the charges get accumulated, then electric discharge takes place. That is known as a lightning. We say it as a
Ma'am,
lightning.
ma'am, it's not given a particular process, so its answer should be all of these.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Na? So D will be taken as the answer. Okay. वैसे तो electric discharge ही होता है, but here it is written the all the things. So we can consider this also. Okay. Next question number. These are the 20 MCQs. After 20 MCQs, we'll continue with the next part. What's it? Short answer type questions. When the free ends of tester are dipped in a solution, the magnetic needle shows deflection. Can you explain why? Why there is so? I think the question is very, very clear to you. When the free ends of the tester are dipped into the solution, जब हमने tester को solution में dip किया है, जो magnetic needle है, it shows deflection. And you know when the magnetic needle shows the deflection. So you have to give the answer. Kindly raise your hand. Yes, Ananya Kahra.
Ma'am, the solution is the good conductor of electricity. That is why the magnetic needle shows deflection.
Yes. Children, you know magnetic needle shows deflection only when it's a good conductor, the solution is a good conductor. And when it shows the magnetic effect of electric current, only then the magnetic needle gets deflected. That's why. So this question is of 2 marks, only 2-3 lines are enough for it. Okay. Next is question number 2. Is it safe for an electrician to carry out electrical repair outdoor during the heavy downpour? Neha Jain.
Ma'am, no, it is not safe as he may get electric shock.
Okay, so it's not safe. But थोड़ा सा इसमें और explanation add करोगे? Why it is so? Yes, Anshika, same answer question.
Ma'am, no, it is not safe for the electrician to carry out electrical repairs outdoor during heavy downpour because rainwater consists some dissolved salt in it and it is not free from impurities. So it can conduct electricity and electrician might get electric shock. So it is not safe.
Okay, so electrician may get electric shock. It's not safe as it is a good conductor of electricity. Okay. Next is the handle of a cricket bat, or yes, Arav Sehgal or Saksham Tiwari, you can give the answer. The handle of a cricket bat or a badminton racket, usually they are rough. Explain the reason. I think you have seen during play.
Yes.
And even the handles of your bicycle.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes. Why they are?
Ma'am, they are usually rough because while playing badminton or cricket, we have to get the grip. So that's why we get the grip when they are rough. if they will be light, then the bat can be out of our hands
Okay.
and we will not be able to play.
Okay. Anybody else want to add something? Otherwise, your answer is fine. So to provide a better grip, okay, that's why the handle of a cricket bat, badminton racket, and even of your vehicles, they are made rough, especially the handles I'm talking about. Next, if air and cloud were good conductor of electricity, still you know that air and clouds are not good conductor. Air is a poor conductor of electricity. But the question is, if air and cloud are the good conductor of electricity, do you think lightning could occur? Ananya Jain?
Ma'am, if air and the cloud were the good conductor of electricity, lightning could not occur because
Because
ma'am, because all the charges collected at the cloud will continuously transfer through the air.
okay. So Anshika, you want to say something about this question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it will not to conduct lightning because all the charges are collected at the cloud and they will transfer to the and they will transfer charges to the air. Therefore, accumulation of charges on the cloud cannot take place, means lightning will not occur.
So according to you, the lightning is not going to be occur because the accumulation of the charges will not take place. Okay. Anybody else want to say? Ananya Kahara, you want to give the answer of this question? Same question. Again.
Yes, ma'am. No, there will be not any type of lightning because charge separation could not take place in the conductor.
Okay. Next is, so children, you have to attempt any 5 questions. Paheli wants to deposit silver. Almira meri hai. Paheli wants to deposit silver on an iron spoon. She took silver nitrate solution in a beaker and set up a simple circuit for electroplating. Which terminal of the battery should be the spoon to be connected to, and what materials should the other electrode be made up of? Okay. So our question is, she wants to deposit silver on an iron spoon. The spoon is of iron. She wants to deposit silver on it. And solution, which is an electrolyte, that is taken as silver nitrate. अब हमें ये बताना है कि स्पून को बैटरी के कौन से टर्मिनल के साथ ज्वाइन कर रहा है और जो दूसरी इलेक्ट्रोड है वो कौन से मटेरियल की बनी होगी. वी आर यूजिंग 2 इलेक्ट्रोड्स. So with which part of the battery that spoon will be attached? Yes, tell me. With which the spoon will be attached?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell beta.
Ma'am, the spoon should be connected to the negative terminal of the battery. The other electrode should be made up of silver.
Okay, very good. And that should be attached to the positive terminal of the battery. Okay, good. 2 astronauts are floating close to each other in a space. Can they talk to each other without using any special device? So astronauts are in the space. How they can talk to each other without using any special device? Any idea? Give reason regarding this question now. Yes.
No, they cannot talk to each other without using any special device because sound cannot travel in vacuum and sound needs a medium for propagation.
Yes. So simply, children, sound can travel in liquid, solid, gases, but in space there is no material medium. So without using any of the special device, the astronauts can't talk with each other. Okay. So this is the reason for it. So we have covered MCQs and short answer type questions. Rest part will be taken tomorrow. Okay. In the meantime, children, you can revise the next part also.